Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing a subscription box that is totally free. It's called PinchME. If you haven't heard of it, you might have already seen videos about it, but it's a totally free box where you get to try samples of products, whether that be health and beauty products, food, anything like that, household items, for totally free in exchange for a little review. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So I haven't done unboxing videos in quite a while because I didn't think you guys really enjoyed them as much, but when I found out that this one was totally free and that anyone can sign up for it and review stuff, I thought I definitely had to share it with you guys. So the service is called PinchME. Like I said, you get to try products from tons of different brands, smaller brands, larger brands, things you see in the grocery store, things you might never have heard of. And you get samples of them, sometimes even full sizes of them, it looks like to me. Maybe that is a sample size, but there's some big products in here. And all you have to do is write your opinions on their website or film a review or whatever you want to do. You could share your opinion on social media. So I love sharing my opinion, especially with you guys. So let's get started with actually what comes in the box that I just got. So they sent me just like a box of things that typically come in these and some of their best stuff, but I'm pretty sure that you can actually pick the products that you get. I think the boxes go out on Tuesday or something that I read, something about Tuesday, Sample Tuesday, and you get to pick the products that you want to include in your box, which is cool because I don't really like the ones where you never know what you're getting because then it seems wasteful if you don't get products that you actually care about. So you get to pick the products, so that's really cool. The first thing I see in here says Dr. Sheffield's Extra Whitening. This looks like a whitening toothpaste, I guess. This says certified natural toothpaste, fluoride free, helps to remove stains for a whiter, brighter smile. So I've never heard of Dr. Sheffield's brand before. It looks like it's a natural company, not tested on animals, which is really cool. And it says that it has strict standards for natural products, no fluoride, no synthetic detergents, no artificial colors, no artificial sweeteners, no animal testing, no GMOs. So that's really cool. This looks to me like a full size. I guess it's just like a smaller tube. This is a 0.5 ounce tube. This is like the standard size of the toothpaste that I buy, maybe a little bit bigger. So that's a really cool sample size, I guess. I'll have to let you guys know how I end up liking it. It says it's a mint flavor and this is for extra whitening. I love natural toothpaste, but I can never find any that actually do the job for whitening and stuff, so I'm excited to see how this does. Next thing is a food item. This says Blue Diamond Almonds Nut Thins, and this says hint of sea salt, almond and rice cracker snacks. These are low sodium, so I'm pretty sure the food items are probably going to be like more natural healthy items. I've never actually tried these before. That's why I love when they include food in these type of boxes, because you get to try out products that you wouldn't normally try. Like I found some really good stuff in these types of boxes, things I wouldn't pick up in the grocery store. And this just looks like a little snack pack. It says it's 90 calories. Let me know in the comments if you guys like these or if you have any healthy snack recommendations. Next thing I see is a Hydrating Argan hair mask. I love hair masks, especially since I have really dry curls and stuff. This says it's deep conditioning and hydration for softer, silkier, and healthier looking hair. Gives hair a silky texture, repairs damage. I'm curious to what the ingredients are and if it's curly girl friendly. Looks like it has alcohol as a second ingredient and a silicone, which is not the best for my hair, but this would probably be a good one to recommend to people with straight hair since it does have silicone in it, so my hair is not the best with silicone sometimes. This is from the brand, what is the brand? Arvazolia. I don't know how to say that, but love trying out hair products, so I'll have to let you guys know what I think. Love argan oil too, it's always very hydrating. This looks like a protein powder. This is Think Thin Protein and Probiotics Plant-Based. This is vanilla bean. I'm guessing it's a protein powder mix. I've never actually tried a protein powder, I don't think, before. This has 20 grams of protein, 1 billion probiotics, fiber, it's low on sugar and all that kind of stuff. So I wonder if this is, I guess this is plant-based protein. That's cool. I've been wanting to try out one of those. I could add this maybe to my smoothies that I always make in the morning. If you guys want to see my smoothie recipe, let me know because it's so easy and I literally drink them probably every other day on my way to work because it's just really easy and fast. So I could probably add that to it for a little boost of protein. This is different. This is Sugaru Moldable Glue. That's neat. So it looks like you can use it for different household items. It came with a black one. Oh, like this is neat because this is not things I would normally find in the store. It says Sugaru is a multi-purpose moldable glue that sticks permanently to lots of materials. You have 30 to 45 minutes to fix, build, and create. In 24 hours, it turns into a strong and durable silicone rubber that stays stuck. That's really interesting. It's got like all the facts on here about it. Looks like people have used them like to repair their phone chargers. That's really helpful because they always are breaking. Looks like someone made a key hook out of it. This looks really good. Next item, it looks like a protein bar. This is by the brand RX Bar. It says it has 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and no BS. I like that. This is a peanut butter flavored bar. I'm always eating these type of bars like on my way home from work before I work out and stuff. Funny story, I did have a Kashi bar to show you guys, but I had this box sitting on my bed and Holly, my dog, my beagle, must have gotten into it because this is all that's left of it, is a little piece of the wrapper. It was a chocolate almond coconut bar that looked really good, and of course she went to town on that. I don't even know how she got it open. I was worried about her with the chocolate, but she seems to be fine, so I guess it wasn't enough to really hurt. So I don't have that to show you guys, but it had a Kashi bar and it was a full-size bar, so that was cool. I love those bars. This thing is super white. This says with OptiBrite technology. This is a sample laundry whitening sheet. That's cool. I hate how when you wash whites they just never stay totally white, and I even wash mine with lights or totally white clothes and they never stay white. So this says that it's supposed to help whiten your clothes. I guess you use it in the dryer. Laundry whitening sheets. Maybe you add the sheets to your wash. It's the first ever whitening sheet, it says. It's safe, bleach-free formula for whites or pattern whites. And I guess you put a sheet in your wash when you wash your clothes. I'll have to try that out and let you guys know. If you guys are interested in seeing any type of like home items on my channel, definitely let me know, because since I am building a house and I'm decorating right now, I would love to show you guys some of that. So I'd love to hear your thoughts if you're interested in seeing any type of like home decor or home items aside from health and beauty. So that was everything from my PinchME box. Definitely let me know if you guys are interested in trying this out. I will leave a link down below if you want to sign up. Anyone can try it. Why not get free samples at no cost to you? All you have to do is just leave your thoughts on them. And I noticed I've been getting tons of like coupons and different things like that in my inbox and opportunities to try out more samples. So it's really cool when you sign up, you just get access to all these great deals and free samples and everything like that. So please let me know also in the comments if you're already signed up for this. I would love to hear your thoughts and some of the cool items that you guys have gotten in your box. So don't forget to check out the link down below. I will also include a blog post that will have photos of the box and more of my thoughts on there and more about how it works and stuff. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye everyone.